crafters, thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Welcome back to week 2 of hashtag Spooktacular 2024. If this is your first time here, be sure to go back and check out the playlist where you can see where I launched this idea on Friday the 13th and the tutorial for creating this album that I'll be using to document my October daily with the theme of Spooky Movie Club. There are freebies in my Ko-fi shop along with a digital kit that's available there, so be sure to go over there and check those out. Last week I highlighted the movies Hocus Pocus, Practical Magic, The Craft, The Nightmare Before Christmas, and this week we'll be working on Beetlejuice, Halloween Town, House with the Clock on the Walls, The Witches, Edward Scissorhands, Sleepy Hollow, and Corpse Bride. I am doing a video to recap the week each Saturday, so please hit the subscription button and the notification bell and you'll be notified anytime I put up any new videos. Each week I do have a freebie in the Ko-fi shop where I have embellishments that I have designed that go with the movies that I have picked out. They could technically go with any Halloween theme, so if you're not watching the same movies I am, I'm sure these would still work out for you if you want to go over there and grab these. And remember, I am not doing my album chronologically. So I have created pumpkin numbers to mark each of the days of the week that will help me know when I look back at this album what day I watched that movie. So now let's clear off our desk and get to crafting. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and start creating my Beetlejuice spread. Again, I'm going to add this to music and speed up the video a little bit in an effort to try to keep these at a watchable length without them being too terribly long. But if you ever have any questions about what I'm creating or something you want me to explain more, please leave me a comment and I'll be happy to try to answer those questions for you. through and show you what I've done for this week. Starting with Beetlejuice. Did a collage page here. I used one of the embellishments from the kit as a backing paper, some of my images that I printed out, one of the embellishments from the freebie, put my movie tag here and added some washi tape here and here, and then used some decorative paper for a washi strip down here. And then for Halloween Town, I did a spread on one of the inserts here. I added my embellishment for my freebie down here, a couple of the images, and some washi strip that I've got. That was day 6. For day 7 was the house with the clock in the walls, and I put that behind my gatefold here because I had backed that with a paper that had the clock, so I thought that would go well here. So I added the embellishment from the freebie, the movie track, some of the images I printed out, and added some washi tape, and then my numbers. So that's number 7. I'm trying to keep these days pretty beginner friendly without needing a lot of supplies, so I'm hoping everyone can follow along with whatever they have, even if it's not the exact same things I've got. I may come back at the end and add some decorative embellishments to jazz the album up a little bit more based on the space. But since I don't know exactly how much space I'm going to have, I want to make sure I've got plenty of room to add all 31 days to the album, since I didn't make a really huge album, because again, I wanted it to be beginner friendly and not too intimidating for a first time person putting an album together. So it is a little limited on space, so I want to make sure I get all my 31 days in, and then at the end I'll come back and do some final embellishing. So let's move on to number 8 was Witches. I decided to put that back here because I had a fairly big embellishment here that I could cover that magnet with, so I thought that would be a great place for that. So I added my embellishment here, covering up that magnet, and then my 2 movie pictures I printed out, and the pumpkin number and the title. So that's day 8 for Witches. Day 9 is Edward Scissorhands. So I decided here I might want to put some of the Tim Burton movies together in my waterfall. I thought that might be a good idea. So I started in the inside of the waterfall here, doing my Edward Scissorhands, using the embellishment I had in the freebie for this week, added my movie pictures with some more torn washi, and my numbers and label there. Then for day 10 was Sleepy Hollow. Added the embellishment from this week's freebie. Did some stamping and added the movie title here. That's day 10. And finally for day 11, did it very similar in adding the pumpkin number, the movie title, and the little embellishment to go along with the movie film strip. So that takes care of week 2. I hope y'all are following along. Again, I would love for y'all to join my Facebook group and show me some of the things you might be creating with this kit, or just tag it #Spooktacular 2024 in Instagram or on YouTube or TikTok or even Facebook, and I'll try to start looking for those things because I'd love to see what y'all are creating. And until I see you again here in the attic, y'all take care.